Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from Galaxy to Galaxy. So guys, I have two Samsung Galaxy device. First one is Samsung Galaxy A05 and another one is Samsung Galaxy A15. So we are going to transfer data from this device to this device with a wireless feature. So all you guys have to do just go to settings on your both phones and then scroll so that we have an option of accounts and backup here. You can do same in this device also. After that guys, just click to transfer data for device setup and click transfer data for device setup. Now all you guys have to do, I want to send from this device, so click send data and then click OK and then receive data. Now click wireless from this device and then click Galaxy and then wireless. So this may take some time guys. So as you see, I have a message here. Just click connect and then it starts searching for data transfer. All you guys have to do, just if you want everything, you can click everything. If you want any account, call, contact and message, you can, and you can also click for custom. Now click next and then custom guys, we have these options. So I am only tap on images and then click transfer. So as you see, all the images are now transferred from this phone to this phone. As you see, 9 items are transferred here. So this is how we can transfer from Galaxy to Galaxy without any cable or a wire. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.